Did you know that there was an echo effect button in the sounds category of Scratch, but it does not have now because Scratch had removed them. But the people of Scratch add-ons put this button in the Scratch, and you can now access the button. So how to access? Just go to open a new tab and type Chrome Web Store, and then click on the first link, and this will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store page where you can search for Scratch, add-ons, and then click on the first, and then click on this Add to Chrome button. Now just close the Scratch add-ons and just go to the Scratch add-ons here, pin it, and go to the add-on section, and then write Echo, and this will give you the first option, echo effect button. You just on it, and you don't need to reload the page. This is the echo effect button. You can either pick your own sound, or you can pick from the library. I'm going with this meow only. This is the real sound, and if we do it echo, it's same. So this is how you can create make echo effect sound. So thank you guys for watching. Smash like if you did, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, peace out.